Not all electric scooters are built for real-world commuting. Some just don't keep up. Please watch this video till the end, because today I'm revealing the top 5 best electric scooters in 2026, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one is the best for your money. Whether you need a scooter for daily commuting, long-range rides, or off-road performance, this list is carefully researched to help you choose the right one without wasting money. I'll cover real speed, range, build quality, and the biggest advantages of each model. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. iScooter iX3/iX4. The iScooter iX3 and iX4 are built for riders who want strong performance and off-road capability. They feature an 800-watt motor, 10-inch off-road tires, and a top speed of up to 25 to 28 miles per hour. They also offer a range of up to 25 to 28 miles and come with an adjustable handlebar height. Review highlights. These scooters perform well on rough terrain, making them ideal for outdoor riders. The suspension and tire design provide a comfortable ride even on uneven surfaces. Pros: 800-watt powerful motor, off-road 10-inch tires, up to 28 miles per hour top speed, adjustable handlebar for comfort. Number 4. Segway Ninebot S2. The Segway Ninebot S2 is a self-balancing scooter designed for smooth and stable rides. It offers a top speed of 11.2 miles per hour and a range of up to 21.7 miles. It features adjustable height and is UL certified for safety. Review highlights. This scooter is easy to use and great for short commutes or fun rides. It's stable, safe, and ideal for beginners or casual users. Pros: self-balancing design for easy control, up to 21.7 miles range, UL safety certification, adjustable height. Number 3. Hiboy MAX Pro. This Hiboy lineup offers versatile performance with motors ranging from 500-watt to 810-watt peak power. Depending on the model, you get speeds up to 22 miles per hour and a range of up to 46.6 miles. They are foldable and designed for daily commuting. Review highlights. These scooters are reliable for everyday use, offering a great mix of speed, range, and portability, perfect for city commuters. Pros: long range up to 46.6 miles, reliable commuter performance, foldable and portable, good balance of speed and efficiency. Number 2. Hiboy S2 Pro. The Hiboy S2 Pro is a popular commuter scooter powered by a 500-watt motor. It features 10-inch solid tires, a top speed of 19 miles per hour, and up to 25 miles of range. Its solid tire design means no flats, making it low maintenance. Review highlights. This scooter is dependable, easy to maintain, and perfect for daily commuting. It offers smooth performance and solid build quality. Pros: 500-watt motor for steady performance, solid tires, no punctures, up to 25 miles range, great for daily commuting. Number 1. NAVEE GT3 ST3 Series. The NAVEE GT3/ST3 series is a high-performance electric scooter built for serious riders. It features powerful motors up to 1,350 watts, dual suspension, and top speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. It also offers an impressive range of up to 47 miles and all-terrain 10-inch tires. Review highlights. This scooter stands out for its power, comfort, and long-range capability. It's ideal for both commuting and longer rides with excellent ride stability. Pros: up to 1,350-watt powerful motor, dual suspension for smooth rides, up to 47 miles long range, all-terrain 10-inch tires. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing performance, range, comfort, and overall value, the NAVEE GT3/ST3 series electric scooter stands out as the best electric scooter in 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.